Hi everyone, today we're going to learn how to perform the Riffle Shuffle. Begin in end grip like so. Regrip the cards with your dominant hand by moving the fingers so that the top sections of the fingers contact the face of the cards. Extend your non-dominant hand into the following shape and place the fingers under the deck like so. Now we're going to riffle the cards. To do this, bend the cards by pushing the cards in opposite directions using your thumb and index. Your index will be pushing down while your thumb up. You want to let the cards slowly riffle off the thumb one by one and fall onto your non-dominant hand. To do this, slowly slide your thumb up whilst maintaining the bend in the cards. As practice, you should move the thumb slowly and feel each card moving off the hand. When you are comfortable doing this, riffle off half the cards into the other hand. From here, you want to flip the bottom packet over and grip it in your non-dominant hand. Do this by using the fingers on the non-dominant hand as a pivot and pushing the packet up using your dominant hand. When the cards are nearly vertical, grip the short edge with the thumb. From this point, grip the cards in both hands. Some like to perform this move in this grip, however it doesn't provide as much support as placing your pinky along the long edge. The grip is to place the middle and ring at the short edge at this point, the pinky at the long edge, the index curled on top, and the thumb at the other short edge. Remember to make contact with the face of the cards with the middle and ring finger. Now you want to riffle both packets into each other the same way as before, and overlap the cards at the corners as such. From this point, rotate the cards and push them in about half a centimeter like so. After this point, you can simply push them in or complete the bridge shuffle. To do this, place at least one thumb in the middle of the cards and apply pressure downwards. Move your index fingers to the bottom and rotate your hands like so, moving the packets downwards and inwards, making sure to maintain pressure with the thumb. Once in this position, let go of the cards with your fingers, but maintain the inward pressure with your hands. From this point, move the hands very slowly outwards, and this will cause the cards to spring inwards. Tips: when flipping the cards into the other hand, use the index finger to support the packet.